Want to create a captivating YouTube thumbnail? Let's do it with Befunky. Start by opening your image in Befunky. Click on Resize in the toolbar and adjust the dimensions to 1280px by 720px, the optimal size for YouTube thumbnails. Use the text feature to add an eye-catching title or description to your thumbnail. You can also add shapes or graphics for extra impact. Apply any filters or effects you like to enhance the image and make it stand out on YouTube's feed. Once you are happy with the thumbnail, click Save to download it in a high-quality format. Make sure your thumbnail is clear, bright, and contains easy-to-read text to attract viewers. Do you create thumbnails for your videos? Share your tips below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.